Hello everyone, welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Creation Designs and MJ Original Boutique. Okay y'all, so I'm coming to you all today with this week's Crafty Vision tutorials or DIYs. I'm doing this video just to show you all what is going to be coming this week. So for those of you who are interested, please stay tuned. Okay y'all, so let's go ahead and get right on into this here video. So this first thing that I want to show y'all is a requested video. Now this, I will not be doing a DIY on this, on these projects that I'm going to be making, and I can't promise when this is going to be coming to you all because I want to make as many projects as I can. These are the craft sticks. Now for those of you who follow me, I did a video, I'm going to say maybe about a week ago, where I showed y'all how to make some earrings using these popsicle sticks. They call it craft sticks, but to me they're popsicle sticks. And one of my YouTube subscribers, she reached out to me and she asked me if it was any possible way that I could show y'all some different projects that come from, jewelry projects that come from popsicle sticks. So this is going to be on my list. I don't know when I will be able to get to this because this is going to take me some time to do. I do have a couple of ideas in my head, and basically I'm just going to make those items and then come to you all and show you the end results, okay? This next thing that we're going to be working on this week, this will be a DIY. I'm going to show y'all what to do with your leftover beads. A lot of times we have a lot of leftover beads for those of us who are beaders, okay? And sometimes we don't know what to do with them. We literally don't know what to do with them. So I'm going to show y'all an idea that I came up with, that I take random beads, they don't have to be the same, and I'm going to show you how to make something really nice, something functional that you can make, and also that you can give as a gift or whatever you choose to do with it, okay? So we're going to be working on that. That video will be coming to you all, but I'm not quite sure when that will be coming, but that will be coming, okay? So I'm going to put that right there. Now I was in the Dollar Tree the other day and I saw these. Now for those of you who follow me, y'all know that I have done a haul on these. These are the, I'm gonna say, acrylic or plastic pearls that you get from Family Dollar, from Dollar Tree. And this is the 60 count, and I think these are 10 millimeter, and I think these are either 12 or 14 millimeter. They used to have the size on them, but they don't have the size on them now. They did have the size on them, but now they don't. So we will be doing a project using these. I'm not sure, I don't think I've shown y'all this project, but we will be making something using these right here. And last but not least, I will be coming to you all with a fabric project. Now, I'm not going to say if it's going to be this fabric or, you know, I'm not going to say it's this fabric because I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this fabric to make the project. But anyway, I will be coming to you all with a fabric project to show you how to make, of course, y'all know, some earrings. All right, so I just wanted to come to y'all really quick to show y'all what is on the list for Crafty Vision coming this week, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you all for watching. If you like what I do here on this platform, please subscribe to the channel. Please make sure you hit the all bell button because I do upload often. And with that being said, I want to thank my new and my super supporters. Until the next one, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.